Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a direct message on Instagram without following a private account. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the search icon and type the username of the private account you want to send a message to. When you find the account, open their profile. On some private accounts, you will see a message button right next to the follow button. If you see this option, simply tap on Message. Now, type the message you want to send. After typing your message, tap on Send. Your message will be sent as a message request, which means the person will need to accept it before they can reply to you. And that's it. That is how you can send a direct message on Instagram without following a private account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more simple and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.